Hi everyone, Jamie Humphries here again, and welcome to another lesson where today we are taking a look at an acoustic strumming version of Hallelujah as performed by Jeff Buckley. Now, the Jeff Buckley cover of the classic Leonard Cohen track can be found on his 1994 debut album, Grace. And the version that Jeff originally recorded features this haunting vocal performance accompanied by a clean solo electric guitar drenched in reverb, performed with a capo at the 5th fret. Now, for the purpose of this lesson, I've taken the liberty of scaling this song down. Instead of using the capo at the 5th fret, we're going to be using basic open position chords instead of chord arpeggios. We're going to be studying a couple of variations on a fixed strum pattern, so give you a nice strum pattern to work on. And as well as that, there were a couple of slightly problematic sections in the Jeff Buckley version, namely the introduction and the solo section. And I didn't really feel that they worked particularly well for the acoustic strumming. The introduction also featured some slightly more advanced chords that I wanted to show in this lesson. I didn't want to take away from the enjoyment factor of taking some basic chords and being able to play a classic song. So anyway, let's kick things off by taking a look at the intro. I'll play it through for you first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that introduction section features the chords of C major and A minor. Now, from a chord changing perspective, this is quite a nice, easy change for you to make. You can maintain the chord shape with your first and second fingers and simply remove your third finger and place it onto the 2nd fret of the G string. So you're eliminating any unwanted movement with your fretting hand. Always try to find economical ways of changing chords, keeping fingers fixed in the same position or same shape, even if you're moving positions or to different sets of strings, or trying to keep fingers fixed where possible, which, makes for a much faster chord change. Now, as well as that, we're looking at a strum pattern. This is in a 6/8 time signature, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's like a triplet fill. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, this is always going to be slightly problematic when it comes to strumming. So what I've done here, I've arranged the strum pattern, which is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Let's have a listen to that with the C major.